I'll try to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find. You're running out of stamina.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those you know me, and for those you do, thank you for joining that little wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing is by Outre in the style Rosalia. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 54 cents and whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light. We could reignite like fireflies. You, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find. You're running out of stamina. I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light. We could reignite like fireflies. Try to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find. You're running out of stamina. I see it in your eyes. Let me be your light. We could reignite like fireflies.
So again, the wig that I will be reviewing today is Outre Rosalia. It is part of the melted hairline collection. I have the unit in the color drff golden ginger. The length of the unit is 16 inches. It is said that it could be worn glueless. It does have a pre-attached elastic band. It does have a frontal effect hairline. Baby hairs included, no plucking required. Soft AG transparent lace, 5-inch deep part, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band. Fast, easy, effortless, glueless install. Baby hairs redesigned, comfort fit, air contour. In addition to what the stock card says, the unit does come with the standard cap size, 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. This is the unit installed. I love it. Love, 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 love it, except 2 things. It's too shiny, so you can tell it's a wig. Like, it looks extremely shiny. And I know it's a wig, but I don't want to wear a wig and everybody have to know it's a wig. Like, I want you to be like, oh wow, I love your hair, and I say it's a wig, not, oh, I love your wig. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's just me. That's number one. The other thing I don't like is the color structure. Okay, look at this. You see these beautiful blondes right here? Right here. Where is it right here? Like, what's going on? I don't know what happened. Did QC pass this? Because QC, QA, whoever you want to call them, if you pass this, you would have got an automatic fail. That's just me. Because look at how gorgeous this is on this side, and I could barely see it on that side. That's the whole point of me getting the wig, because I thought it would be on both sides. But that's okay. That's just, you know, I could still rock it for 3-4 looks before I get irritated. So, you know, I could make it work. But there's only 2 things I don't like. Well, I like. One more thing. Third thing. because you could wear it glueless, or that's my assumption, it is not big friendly. Before I even put the unit on, when I was trying on the unit to show you the lace, before I cut the lace, before I styled it or did anything to it, I tried it on so you could see the color of the lace and to show you whether it was pre-plucked or not. And it was tight on my itty bitty head. And I say itty bitty because I know I got a small head. I don't care what y'all say. It was tight. That joint was tight. So it ain't big and friendly. So that's the 3 things I don't like. Other than that, oh yeah, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And while putting on the wig, I'm envisioning corporate America, girl boss walking into the CEO office, or maybe even the CEO. Might just be a CEO chick. So if you are, grab this, pick her up, because you might be turning heads wherever you go. Even if for an interview, I think that would be a conversation starter. This unit is just so gorgeous. And in these hard times, sis, you got to do what you got to do. So if you need to get a wig to have a conversation, to do a networking event, or just to get an interview, then do what you got to do. I really think it'll work. In my Keith Lee voice, let me go ahead and rate this 1 through 10. She is an 8. Well, a 7 if I'm just going to take off the 3 points for the 3 things I don't like. The shininess, the color placement, and it's tight. So we're going to give it a 7. But you know what? If it wasn't so tight, she probably would have got an 8. But she is gorgeous. Gorgeous she is. Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. Whew. You see this color? And again, the color I have is DRFF Golden Ginger. Okay? Make note. And to make it easier for you, I'm going to just link it down in the description bar so you can go ahead and pick it up. You don't have to search for it. I'm just linking down the description. Click on the link, purchase it, and boom, you're good to go. And it's going to be Amazon. And she is a standard middle part. So I don't think you could switch it. Because if you do, then you're going to see the tracks. But I'm realizing since I started doing videos again, I love a middle part. Like, what? Why was I messing with the left part or the right part? And I say that because I don't remember which side I liked before I stopped. So I'm trying to figure out why was I stepping out on my girl in the middle part. The middle part's a bomb. She was easy to install. I cut the lace. I put these red hair, what is it, red Styler Fixer Freeze hairspray. I prefer this to Eben. I really do, because when I do Eben, I don't know what I was doing wrong, child. I would always not be satisfied with the lace being laid down. And I hardly ever lay my lace down, but when I go to church, honey, I want my lace laid. I want nobody looking at me, coming to give me no church her looking all in my lace. No, I don't want my lace talking to you. I'm sorry. I know it's a wig. You probably know it's a wig, but I don't care. So the last 2 installs, I tried this, and I prefer it to Eben. Now I don't know if after a few applications I'm gonna get sick and tired. My hot comb, and where's she at? And a headband, which I don't know where my headband is. Like, yeah, and a headband, and that was it. And then I went in with this just to darken up the lace just a tiny bit. I didn't need it, I don't feel, because once I tinted the lace, I feel like it did a decent job. I didn't need to go into this. I was just being extra, because like I said, I was basically auditioning the wig for me to go to church tomorrow. So I did the wig review before, so I could be like, okay, yes, I like it. And she's a definite gonna go to church tomorrow. So yeah, if you got the end of the video, you know what I'm gonna say. You're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you the next week. Bye guys.